Hello, welcome to this episode number 20. And in this episode, I am going to take you to another interesting destination, and that destination is Cape of Good Hope, which is in South Africa. And I'm going to tell you some interesting things about this place. This place is reachable from Cape Town. So I happened to be working in Cape Town few years ago, and I had made this trip along with my friend Jan. So I'm going to tell you more about it in this clip. Uh, Cape of Good Hope is around 1.5 hour journey by car from Cape Town, and you can take two routes by road. One via Chapman's Peak, which is a viewpoint on the Atlantic Ocean road, which is on the shores, and the other route is you to go from the other route, so you don't go by the shore side, but you go from the central land, and still you reach Cape of Good Hope. Now I will show you a visual where there is Chapman Peak, and it's a beautiful viewpoint. You see the entire Atlantic Ocean, and this ocean is basically where if you jump in there and start swimming, you will reach American shore. We are just at the Chapman Peak Drive. Today is 26th of October 2013, and there's Jan here. We are going towards Cape Point. And on the right side is Atlantic Ocean. We are headed towards Cape Point. चालूची काय झालं मी
आयडिया भारी केली आहे. दगड पडला तरी तो वरून निघून जाईल असं.
This is great.
लय भारी. वाव. नॅचरल हे वापरलंय त्यांनी.
Now we will go through Simonstown and then to Cape Point. On this drive, this is the photo taken at one of the viewpoints. So you can park the car there and take pictures. This is Chapman's Peak Drive viewpoint, and this is a very beautiful place. So this photograph is from that point. And so from Chapman Peak, we went to Fish Hawk Village, and then we passed by a place called Simonstown. Now, Simonstown is first unique thing about, or one of the unique locations in Africa. This photograph that you see, it's a railway station of Simonstown, and this is the last railway station in African continent. There is on the top, on the northern side, the topmost railway station is in Cairo, which is the internal train within Cairo in which I have sat. And Simonstown is the last station on the southern side. Of course, I didn't go by train. I went, as I mentioned, I went by car. So we just stopped by, we took some pictures, and we proceeded further. And in another 20 minutes drive, you are at Cape of Good Hope. You have to reach Cape of Good Hope before around 4:30 p.m. or before that, because they close the entry by 5:30. Because inside the gate also there is quite a bit of distance, and there is a bit of a walking to be done. So to see the place, you require about 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. So the entry time limit is around 4:30 p.m. So whenever you go there, just ensure that you reach there by 4:30, ideally 4:30 p.m. So this is where you park your vehicle, and there is ample parking space there, so you can take a hired car. And you can see in the far there is a lighthouse. That is the farthest point of Cape of Good Hope. This is the cable car which is called funicular. We are at Cape of Good Hope. We are going in this train,
the lighthouse.
in this cable car. This is the funicular. Name of the car is funicular. This is the last end of the small train cable car journey. You get down here and we'll walk further. This was a well managed station. It was well organized, well. Okay, we are now going towards the end of Africa, the southernmost tip of Africa. That is the southernmost point of Africa. Okay, that black visual or video was the very little fast, so I have made a snapshot of this. You can see the what it reads. That air at Cape Point is regarded as the cleanest on the African continent. This is the highlight of this location. That this is the cleanest air in whole of Africa, and this is what it makes special. One small correction, in the video clip I say that Cape of Good Hope is the southernmost tip of South Africa. It is not, it is Cape Agulhas. It is the Cape Agulhas is the southern tip of Africa, but it is not a very prominent town. I don't know why, or maybe it was not ship worthy, so they found Cape of Good Hope as the best location to guide the ships turning around the cape and give them directions, or it may be the point which is protruding little outer side, so that became the more prominent location for guiding the ships. But still it makes sense to see Cape Agulhas, which is the southernmost point, which maybe I'll see next time. But I hope this will motivate you to go and see Cape of Good Hope, and you will enjoy the scenery there. Thank you.